What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Steve from Printing Gang Investments, back with another late night video. And today, in this episode, I want to talk about how people are loud and wrong about what's going on, and how the stock market is one of the realest wealth creation machines ever, how it's paying more than these jobs, you know what I'm saying? So, Bitcoin done hit 100K now. Palantir hit 76.50 and then messed around, hit 77, almost 78 after hours, at the time of this recording. It's like a weekend. And assets keep hitting all-time highs. I think the SPY and NASDAQ at all-time highs. We said Bitcoin, but Tesla's trying to hit all-time highs. And it's a lot of people on the sideline salty, man. It's a lot of people wrong, man. Loud and wrong. I'm just hearing people, some of the craziest sentiment I ever heard. I heard one guy say, man, that last crash they had in 2022, that wasn't nothing, man. They need a real crash. They need a crash. They need 5 years. They want to see people like me and you go to the dirt, y'all. I don't know why. And all jokes aside, it's really fear, bro. It's really fear. Like, people be scared to take risk, man. People are scared to take risk, and I feel like that hurts a lot of people out here. You know what I'm saying? Like, especially a lot of times as you get more and more money, you get more complacent with your living situation. A lot of people really get scared to take risks. So, like, I like to listen to bull case and bear case. That's how I hear a lot of my information out here. So I listen to a lot of investors that have been on the sidelines with large amounts of money. I'm listening to people with 2, 3, 4, 500,000 that was either in cash, bonds, or they were in the SPY or VTI or Total World Stock or something like that. And there's nothing wrong with that. For the average person, I always advise the average person who don't want to watch that market and do that research. I always advise that person, just buy the SPY, you know what I'm saying, and just go to work. But you'll see people will get mad because something like a Tesla moon, a Palantir, or a Bitcoin moon, and bro, you had 500,000 in cash. You were scared to lose 5,000 of it. You're scared to lose 10,000, 20,000. You could have did the research. You could have made 10, 20 times your money. But it's I feel like the way they trained a lot of us, a lot of people feel like it's not natural to make more money than your job, or they feel like it's wrong to make money fast or something. I listened to a guy said that. One guy had the nerve to say, when stocks go up in a straight line, which stocks don't go up in a straight line, they went up over a year or two, but he referred to it as a straight line. He said when stocks go up in a straight line, that's not investing. I'm like, that's some of the dumbest shit I've ever heard. It sounds like whoever called that stock got it right. Stocks doing this and doing this means you got it wrong where I come from. You know what I'm saying? But I think what it is, people like us as investors, we come from a world of wrong and right. It's not about who got money. It's not about who don't got money. It's not about who got the fancy suit on or who don't got the fancy suit on. It's simply about who's right and who's wrong. And, a lot of people who don't come from the market don't understand that. They come from environments where the boss is always right. They come from environments where the person in charge is always right. They come from environments where you do this, you get this type of environment. You go to your job and you put money in a 401k and the SPY, unless the market experience a never before seen crash that we never seen before, you'll probably be good at retirement. You save your money, buy your house not gonna go to zero, you'll be good. A lot of if-then type of stuff, you know what I'm saying? But what they don't realize, that's not the mindset you want to have going into this AI economy. AI loves an if-then statement. For all my computer programmers, they know about them if-then statements. Operating a mindset, if I do this, then this will happen, I don't necessarily feel like that's the way you really want to approach things in this AI era. I feel like we have to take a little more risk. We have to reskill ourselves. We have to learn new things. We don't want to end up like those workers out there at the port. You see what's going on out there at the port. Me as a trader, I'm watching the port situation every day. Well, not every day, but I'm paying attention to the port situation just in case I got to go buy them puts, because they could crash the economy if they do that. But look at why they're doing it. They doing it because they're scared of change. They offer them people 60% increase on their pay, but they said they don't want automation because they don't want robots to come take their jobs. And this herein lies the problem. I don't like robots taking my jobs either. I don't like miners taking my jobs either. But the only thing I can do about it is adapt and change and do something else. It's like, if you had a good cushy job at something like a longshoreman at the port and you've been making that kind of money for 10 or 20 years, you should have invested it and hopefully learn how to, make some money, like, above and beyond what your job provides. Now, I understand a lot of people just go to work and come home, you know what I'm saying? But as someone who been out here kind of independent, working this job, that job, trying this, trying that, people don't understand, like, the entrepreneurial side of the world. Like, things start, things end. A lot of people aren't used to, I was getting money this way and now we can't get money this way, so we got to do something else. That's why a lot of people hate on the stock market, like me. I know as a trader, they think people like me don't exist because I traded GameStop and AMC back in the day. And most people, most real investors, when they talk about GameStop and AMC, they'll say people like me, they think we don't exist. They think we were retarded. They think we just bought it because we're dumb. And they think we lost all our money, didn't take any gains. They didn't realize, no, that's not true. We actually took a lot of gains. We actually had quite a thesis for why we did what we did. And I say that to say it's really all about thinking outside that box, people. It's all about thinking outside that box, because when you think outside that box, you get things that everybody else ain't having. You know what I'm saying? Like this week, man, I probably have made more this week than I'm gonna make in my job all month. And if they give me another week or two like this, I already know if I'm gonna go in though, bro, man. They been giving me $1,500 days, $3,000 days, all that. And that's just me adapting. That's just me adapting. On my job, I want to play games. They don't want to pay nobody no more, man. I'll hop down. I will hop down. You see what I'm saying? Now, I still work, but it's like, market paying so much, the hours done damn near reverse. I'm damn near part-time at the job, full-time at the market, and if the market keep paying, I'll quit. But I'm saying all this to say, going forward, people, we really gotta lock in. Whether you're gonna be over here on the investor side, whether you're gonna be on the business owner side, we gotta lock in. This AI getting real. These markets paying more than these jobs out here. These jobs is lowering pay, and these markets is hitting all-time highs. You know what I'm saying? So don't let anybody scare you out. Don't let anybody stop you from getting your money. Don't be scared of a downturn. Downturns come. If y'all watch my channel, watch how I perform as soon as this market crash, sooner or later, because I know it's going to crash sooner or later. Correction, whatever. Pound till probably go down 20, 30%. Everybody going to get scared. Everybody going to say everything over. Just like when Tesla hit 180 and 140 last time. Everybody gets scared. Everybody says everything is over. It's like, once you really learn the skills of financial literacy, you be prepared for anything. Like me as a trader right now in the market, I see the market at all-time highs. I see the macro in a lot of these companies giving me no reason to sell, but I'm keeping cash on the sidelines because I know how to trade. If things get too real, I will just buy puts. I might not catch the day before the big drop when it's time to buy the puts. But the moment I see certain levels get broken on my chart and I hear certain things in the macro, I'm gonna know what to do. And that's what people don't really understand. Like, once you really get your financial literacy to a high level, you can really just kind of make it out here on your own. Like, I say, if it wasn't for the market this year, man, I'd be fucked up, man. My job did me so dirty this year. Like, I'm actually not only surviving, they got me out here thriving just because of financial literacy. You feel me? So, I was just letting people know it's a lot of people loud and wrong, man. Don't let them scare you out these markets, because these markets paying more than these jobs, man. And this AI is on the way, and we all gonna have to change, man. I hope you change for the better, because I'm trying to change for the better out this thing. But it's your boy Steve from Printer Gang Investments. That's just a late night talk. I'm gonna see y'all later.